Alright guys, welcome back to another one on the Teryx here. As you can see, I've got a lot more thrown on her. Yeah, it's probably about 99% done. Just got to put the hood back on and do a little bit of wiring, but yeah, I went a little crazy with it. So everything's put back. The bumper I cut down at the bottom, and I ended up spacing it up some, and I ended up having to drill these holes out. The air filter, I had to crush it, squeeze it inward so it would squish in whenever I pushed the lid on it, and that's how I got that to work. Yeah, we're not opening that lid. I've got the front fog lights to wire up to that, and the winch to wire up, and then put the front end back on it, and yeah, it'll be 100% together. The steering, I've had to do a lot of adjusting. So, but yeah, I think it's coming out good, guys. I had to adjust these tie rods many times. I do have a good amount of threads left in here, and so we are good. I have had to, though, adjust some things because of, you know, because I want to have the same amount of right and left turn. But from being what it was, guys, I think it's come a hell of a long way. I mean, this was all tore up. Y'all remember all that? Everything's fresh and new. What needed to be replaced. All the plastics are back on. Everything lined up like it's supposed to. We got to get a new battery for it. Once we get a new battery, which I have one sitting here, maybe I'm going to throw it in there, see if it'll work. Because this battery is done for. And then we just got to throw the hood back on. And it should be time to go test her out some more. I did take it for a little spin last night before I started messing with that bumper. And yeah, it gets it, I must say. It goes pretty quick. It stops at 50 though. It does cut out at 50. It gets there pretty fast though, I must say. So, like I said, first Teryx, which is it? Teryx or T-Rex? Some people say either or, I don't know. But y'all let me know in the comments. And let me know how the build's going, guys. You know, I'm sorry. Things have been kind of crazy over here with the storms. Ida, I've got some stuff of that I'm going to throw up on the channel. I did go on a little ride with a buddy. And anyway, but yeah, the storm has got things messed up, and also I don't have like good internet whatsoever out here, so I cannot upload out here. Keep peeking for my son. He's about to get get home from school. But anyway, yeah, so it's hard for me to upload, so when I do throw a bunch up because of wherever I'm at. I try and upload as many that I have already saved up. And I'm just doing this one in a series, I guess, and at the end, when everything's said and done, I'll put everything in one whole video, if that's what y'all want to see. So, yep, we'll get some riding after it's delivered. When we deliver it, we'll film that too. So, film that whenever we come back. Hopefully he'll be getting it back and us going to the hunting lease to go ride. So we'll see what's up. But this is where we're at now. I'd start it, but like I said, the battery's dead. Well, look, guys, if y'all would hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Later.